This is the another viewpoint of Rhine Fall. This is little bit upstairs, and from here you can also see the blinks of town. Also, the houses are visible, and the beautiful Rhine Falls. It flows in two ways. The middle is the path where people can also climb and go to little bit up and take the fun of the water. This way the river flows. Very beautiful view. Rhine Fall is one of the most powerful waterfall in the Europe, and it flows almost from the height of 75 feet. And geologically, it is said that more than 14,000 to 7,000 years ago, this was created due to glacier disturbances. So this is very beautiful way of river is flowing. Thank you.